Okay, I think most of you are at it, so let's start again. So approximation error E is likewise the same. If you remember the same way of how the absolute error, so absolute error is delta is equal to modulus of x minus x star. Like that, it says approximation error E is equal to present error minus previous error. Okay, then relative error delta is equal to delta over mod x. Likewise, here epsilon A is equal to this EA over this P. Okay, whatever the P. Okay, so like the same things, but you have to keep it in your mind what it says actually. Okay, let's do example so you'll understand everything very clearly. Okay, for example, okay, write down this example also. Okay, so first of all, they asked to round this one 31. Okay, 31.2357 to 4 digits. So what is our procedure? First of all, we have to write this fixed point number to the floating point number. So you better keep it like this way. Okay, 312357. So how many digits we have taken this way? So 2. So 10 to the power 2. Okay, now we have to cut down the 4 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one. So remaining will be 3123 times 10 to the power 2. So if you write the fixed point again, sorry, 331.23. So that is what this one. Okay. So we have written the x and x star. Now observe absolute error delta. So what is our delta? Delta is equal to mod of x minus x star. So if you take off from this to this, what is the answer? So this is the answer. So can you try yourself? Don't see the answers here. Okay, just try yourself and see whether you're getting the answers. Okay, don't just copy my answer. Just try yourself also. So this is our this is our x, this is our x star, this is our absolute value. If you are getting any different values, please tell me. My answer may be also wrong. Okay, so don't worry about this answer. You just do yourself and tell me if it is different from yours. Okay, then upper bound for the absolute chopping error is what? This is the formula. So I'm not calculator. So can you answer me also? Okay, answer for this one, answer for this one, answer for this one, and the remaining one. So I need your answers. I don't have answers with me. Okay, so one by one, can you all answer me? At least 20, 30 people also need to answer. Don't just be remaining or just sleep or just put the phone on and going here and there. Rather than that, you better, focus on the things. Okay, can you all answer me? So what is our W? Yeah. What is our W? What is our N? Yes. It is a little bit of bigger calculation, I know, but just try. Use your calculators and everything. So what about the upper bound for the absolute error? What is the answer? Yes. Okay. Only one person answering. Where's the others? 100 plus people are there, no? 92 people are here. Where's the others all gone? Okay. Okay. Oh, the answer is 0.000. Okay. So you have to see whether both the delta less than 10 to the power n minus w and small delta less than 1 minus w, whether both the, I mean, for the accurate, absolute accurate and relative accurate or not. Okay. Okay, good. Everyone answering. I don't know. I'm writing your answer. Okay. I don't know the actual answer, but if it is wrong, tell me. I can guide the others. This one is fine. This one 10 to the power minus 2, isn't it? 0.001. Sorry, 0.1. 0.1. Okay, this one 0.0043 divided by this value. This one 31 and 2357. So somebody has answered this way. Am I right? Please tell me whether it is small delta is this one. Can you answer this one? Relative error. One, 3, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. No problem. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. Something like that. Is that correct? Somebody is answering 137663. 3201. What is that? Can you check again whether it is this one is this one or not? What is the correct answer? You can use your calculators. Now itself you use the calculators, okay? So then only the exam will be easier for you to do that. So 2357. Answer is something 1.3. Okay, calculator giving the floating point, isn't it? 1.3766299946 to the power 10 to the power minus 4, like that. So 1376 is the answer. Yes. Check again, please. Yes. Yeah, so many answers are coming. I think not this one. 76. See, calculate how the calculator giving the answer like this. 3266299946 to the power 10 to the power minus 4. So this is the idea of floating point number. So some number, one number, decimal number, this one, it should have the integral part, decimal point, and the fractional part. So you have to see, this is one of the idea why we are studying this one. The calculator giving like this answer. So if you know the idea only, we can understand this calculator's answer. Similarly, computer will give different kind of answer. Sometimes you may, I don't know, you have seen e to the power minus 34 like that. This is also 10 to the power minus 34. Okay, so computer used like this. So everything a floating point. So that's why we are studying this part here. Okay. Okay, so this one is okay. This one is okay. This one, what is the answer? 10 to the power 1 minus 4, isn't it? 10 minus 3. So 0.001. Am I right? Therefore, what do you think? Delta is less than or greater than? What is the answer? So 0.0013, sorry, 0.1376 is a 3 digits, is a 3 digits. So this will be less than, no? Am I right? Please answer me. Is that accurate or not? When I ask the question, please answer again. If you answer already, it's okay. Yes. Accurate, no? Okay, fine. Good. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's continue. These questions continue, okay? Okay, now find out these things. What is the, absolute rounding error? I told you that is a chopping error. Half times of this one will be rounding error. So you don't need to find again, okay? Whatever you found, you can half. So that is easy, no? So can you answer me for this one? Absolute rounding error and this one, sorry. So what is the half of the upper bound, half of the, relative rounding error? And then see whether it is also estimate accurate or not. Okay. So estimate is accurate, absolute. Sorry, this is not absolute, no? This is a relative. Relative accurate or not. So answer the question whether it is accurate. Okay. So give this answer, please. First one, absolute rounding error. What is the answer? So I think our absolute one 0.01, no? So divided by 2 will be 0.0, yeah, 0.5 like that. Okay. So how about this one? We had 0.0001 something, no? Yeah. So half of this will be 0.00005. Am I right? 4 zeros. This is 20305, 30405. Please answer me whether it is correct or not. Yes. It's a 3. This one 10 to the power 1 minus 4, no? 10 to the power minus 3. So this will be this one. So you have to take one more 0.5. Am I right or wrong? 0.0000, sorry. 0001. Okay, sorry. This will be 00. Okay, this one, no? Sorry about that. 001. 001. Okay. 0.00. Okay, 305. Okay, correct. Okay, good. Okay, can you tell me the relative is this one? Okay. See whether delta less than this one and this one. Okay, sorry. This is a rounding off, no? Yeah, no problem. Absolute rounding error. Okay, what is the rounding error? Rounding error, you have to, obey the rules. No? Okay, what is the question? Let me go back. So this is a question. So this question 31.2357 after 4 digits. So 4 digits. So what do you think? What is the rounding? So because this one is 5, no? So if you 3 plus 1 will be 4. Therefore, it can be added. Okay. So 31.34 will be the answer. Rounding off. Okay. Yeah, sorry, this one, this is not the absolute, no? Absolute will be 2, 4. So this one 3. For the absolute chopping error will be 31.23. But the rounding off will be 31.24. Isn't it? Okay. Okay, now see the rounding of absolute and the relative error. Okay. So 3124. So del you have to calculate again. Okay. For this one you have to tell. Okay. Okay, let me clear this one. So our rounding off will be 31.24. Therefore, calculate the delta again. Okay, x minus what is x star? This is our x star. No. Again, find this one. Okay. I think. Okay, I don't know. You have understood. Okay, please give me 1 second. So first of all, what you have to do is 0.45. What is the question? Let me check the question. Okay, this is how you have to do, right? I think you are doing okay, but I'm telling this one. Okay, 312357 is our question. Okay, for this question, take the 4 digits chopping error and then find the delta, find the relative error and the upper bound. Okay, delta less than what is this small delta, what is this one and all. Okay, see whether it is accurate or not. Okay, accurate or not. Similarly, again take this one for the, this is one is a chopping. Like this rounding off also, find the after 4 digits, what is the rounding off? What is the delta? What is the small delta? What is the upper bound? What is the upper bound for the relative and absolute? Okay. So see whether it is accurate or not. So 2 ways you can check whether it is accurate or not according to the chopping error as well as the rounding off error. Okay. So hope you all understand the question method. So I have put one question for this one also, I think in the, homework quiz. So you can try that one. Okay. One more important things. Okay, we can finish up after this, seeing this one. So let me finish this one and then we can finish the session also. Okay. Example number 2, taking only few terms of Maclaurin series. Have you heard this term, Maclaurin series? Please answer me. I think, I don't know, you have heard this word. Okay. Who's answering? No. Okay. You didn't heard. Okay. So, okay, this is also your homework. Okay. We're gonna meet up next, inshallah, next Thursday, 1 to 3. So up to now you have times. Okay. Check whether what is Taylor series. We will study later, but anyhow, this will be Maclaurin series. Can you search these in the net or any YouTube or anything? Okay. So understand it, what it's all about. Okay. So I'm going to use it only. I'm not going to teach you what it is. Okay. So this is your homework until next Thursday. So it's not going to take only within half an hour or anything. You can understand it. Okay. So just write it down. This is also one of your homework. Okay. See whether what is Taylor series and Maclaurin series and understand it through any mode. Okay. Okay. That's that. So I'm going to use it that. Okay. Here. This will be look like for this one. Okay. So you know this exponential now. You also I think last lecture also in the, Pickett iteration also we use this one, I remember. Okay. So this one, e to the power, this is how the Maclaurin series comes. So you have to understand it, what it is, real meaning through the, YouTube or anything. But here, this is the Maclaurin series, okay? But it is an approximational value because it goes up to infinity, no? The x also minus infinity to infinity. Can take minus infinity to infinity. And this value 1 plus, see the idea of this one, exponential of x is equal to, approximation equal, because we can get any number, no, up to infinity. So that's why I put the approximated value, okay? So this symbol is, I don't know, this one, no? Like this one, this is also approximated value, okay? So e to the power x is equal to, it is also equal, right? 1 plus x over 1 factorial plus x squared over 2 factorial x3 over 3 factorial, it goes. What is the next value? Can you answer me? You can find it, no? This is the first one, second one, third one, fourth. This is like this, okay? This is x to the power 0. X to the power 0 is 1, no? 1 by 1, like that, okay? No need to consider this one. So 1 plus something. So its value will be 1 plus something, some number, okay? So 1 plus some any fractional number, okay? So you have to know these things. So what is the answer? Yes, very good. X to the power 4 over 4 factorial, okay? So factorial, you remember, no? What is a factorial means? 3 factorial means 3 times 2 times 1. It is ending up to 1. If it is 5 factorial, 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, this is the idea of factorial. So you know these things. This x can be written negative infinity to positive infinity, any number of value. Okay, so they are saying here we're gonna truncate. We are studying this one under truncation. Okay, so they are truncating, approximating. Only they use 3 terms. So you know what is the meaning of terms, no? So these are terms. This is the first term, second term, third term. So they say until third term, we're gonna use the approximated value. So EX can be taken only this part. So what is this part? For example, 0.57381, something like that. If I cut off this one, so I have 0.573. What is these values? Cut out values are? What is that? Let's see, answering or not. Okay, what is this part we called? That is what we are studying, no? These parts are errors, okay? Error parts. So truncational error. So this x cubed by 3 factorial x 4 factorial goes, no? Those are errors. So we're gonna see. Then the truncational error can be written as, okay, I'll erase this one. Okay, the truncation error is given by truncation error is equal to this minus this part. Okay, this minus this will give the next part, no? Am I right? If you take these, if you take all these 3 terms, this side, this is the value of our error, no? So that's what they say. Ex minus this part will be our error. This is equal to what? The remaining one, x to the 4, 3 by 3 factorial, 4 factorial. It goes. The next one will be x5 over 5 factorial, x6 over 6 factorial, up to, it goes on up to infinity. Okay. So we don't know how much. So we put 3 dot. So it means it's continuous. Okay. Okay. That is the idea. Now, can you all try this one? Please write down also. Okay. You don't have these in your notes. So you have to keep it in right with me. Okay. 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 I don't want to show you the answer. Can you try? If x equal to 0.5, what will be the EX? Can you write for, okay. What you have to do is, for the, this is for common x, okay? General x, general form. So if it is x equal to 0.5, what is the e to the power x. So you just substitute here, okay? This one. And use for three digits. What is e to the power 0.5? Okay, this is 0.5. What is the full form? What is the truncated form? Then what is the truncation error? This form. Can you write it? You don't need to check. You just write the answer. We can check the answer with you. Okay. No need to calculate the fraction value in the calculator. Just write what is e to the power 0.5. What is approximated value e to the power 0.5? What is the truncation error? Just like this format. No need to calculate. Okay. So hope everyone are answering. So I can, shall I show one by one? I'll show you the answer. Okay. So this is the answer for the e to the power 0.5. So just substitute. No need to, calculate. It will be a big process. You can calculate later. If you have time, you can calculate this one in the calculator or computer if you like. Okay, next one. Sorry. So what is the approximated value? Only 3. Okay. Next, take only 3 terms. 1 factorial, 2 factorial. Therefore, we are neglecting term more than power. More power than 3. Okay. After 3, this is the truncation error. Balance will be the truncation error. It will be 0.5 cube by 3 factorial, 4 by 4 factorial, like that. Okay. So this is enough for you to answer. You don't need to calculate. But if you are interested, you can calculate this in the calculator. What is actually this value? You can put some more plus. Okay. Okay. Hope everyone understands. So we have a small remark, then we can finish. That's all our session 1 and today's lecture. Okay. Okay. This one we already know, but anyhow. Okay. So differentiation, you also studying again ODE. So there also you may encounter these things. Okay. The differentiation of function f dash is written as limit delta x tends to 0 fx plus delta x minus fx divided by delta x. So what does that means? So if you have x, this is a functional value fx. So if this is x value, so here the value will be fx. Okay. If you are taking small difference, let's say delta x. So our session also gonna finish. So if it is finished, don't worry. That's all our lecture. Okay. Okay. So this will be, what is the value of this one? So okay. The value of this one will be the x plus delta x. The fx value will be f of x plus delta x. Like, okay. So what is the differentiation is this, let's say this is a y value. Okay, y is equal to fx. So this y difference of this x difference. This is delta x, this is delta y. Okay. So f dash means what? Dy over dfx over dx. Okay. That is equal to delta y over delta x. So what is delta y? This value minus this value. Okay. F of x plus delta x minus f of x. What is delta x? Delta x. Okay. But actually what it's mean is when the delta x reaching very small, what is the value? So it means limit delta x tends to 0. What is the value is the f dash x. Okay. So I hope you all know these things. But finite delta x to approximate f dash x is, so they are not taking this limit and all. They here, sorry, I'll show you. Here we have the equal sign. Here we have the approximated equal sign. Okay, that's the difference. Taking out this limit, they are telling this is something approximately equal to this part. That is also correct. So from to here, what is the error? Okay, that is what we're gonna find out. Okay, that's all our things. You can use this one for one of our questions. Okay, I think that is in the homework quiz. Okay, I'll show you the homework quiz anyway. Okay, wait. First of all, I will send you today, possibly. Okay. Try your best to, but you have to, don't copy like what you do so far. Just write yourself and you can discuss with your friends. And whoever doing that, don't share with your friends. Okay. Just to, teach them how you can answer them. Okay. So I will check your things. Hopefully when you are coming for the physical. So you can use one notebook to write all the answer for the quizzes and whatever I'm giving. Okay. 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 I'll share you the, okay. Okay. Wait, I'll show you the questions so you can see what I'm expecting from you. Can you see the homework quiz? Please answer me. This one, homework quiz 1. Yes, no? Okay. So these are the quizzes, okay? Don't worry about it, not that big things, okay? This is wherever it comes under the heading, I have put the red mark, okay? So I think you have marked it as well in your notebook, okay? So this is under the question of find the upper bound, absolute chopping, and that question, okay? Chopping and upper bound in that question. And next one is the thing what I have told you. So how to do this question is, I will explain and finish up quickly, okay? So this is what you have to do is, f of x is what, okay? For this delta x, so this is fx, okay? F of x is x square means, so see, f dash, so x equal to 3 is what, okay? Then you find a f dash of x of delta, if you add, see, 3 plus 0.1 minus f of 3. So it means what? F of 3 plus 1 is what? F of 3 is what? Divided by 0.1. Okay, calculate this value and this, actually fx is x is, I'm going a little faster because I need to finish you quickly. So f dash x is what? What is f dash x? Fx x square, then f dash x will be 2x. Okay, what is the 2x? 2 times, so f dash of 3 will be, so I'll give you anyway 6. Okay, 3 will be 6. So what is this answer? See whether both are correct, matching or not. Then find the truncation error. This minus this will be the truncation error. Okay, this minus this will be the truncation error. So hope you get some idea. Anyway, you try it. Okay, go back and find similar questions and things from net or anywhere and find the answer. Okay, so I'll finish now. Okay, so you can ready for the next lecture. Okay, good luck and goodbye. Okay, bye. Okay.